The Zoom is Unity's contemporary design platform with clean lines and strong geometric forms. Optional sunshades can help to keep the home cool during summer. And large windows frame outside views and bring in natural daylight. The open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area optimizes the use of dramatic vaulted space. The Zoom single-level floor plans can have 1 to 4 bedrooms and range in size from 1,000 to 2,000 square feet. Our carefully compiled collections of materials and fixtures perform to the highest standards and work well together in our Zoom design. Visit unityhomes.com to learn more about the health, comfort, energy efficiency, and sustainability of Unity Homes. To download sample floor plans, or to explore our other designs, the Trad, the Varm, the Xyla, or the Nano.